Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are in yet another crawl space that we just finished here in Ocean View. And this crawl space was supposed to just have a liner on the ground. We went up the walls for this customer and did a couple extra things. And I'm going to show you what this looks like. And this isn't our normal HydroSeal vapor barrier. This is just a much thinner vapor barrier that we just wanted to try out, that's still reinforced and better than a 6 mil. And we wanted to just play around and see how good and nice we could do with really not nearly as great of a material that we normally use. But I think you're going to really like how this turned out when you focus on quality. So let's check it out. And so here we are in this now encapsulated crawl space that was really just supposed to have a vapor barrier on the ground. And so this is a really thin 9 mil vapor barrier that we use, but it's still reinforced. It's woven, not string reinforced. We don't like using string liners in our crawl spaces. So I'll take you through here and show you what this looks like. So, another stellar job. Again, this is all sealed here and anchored all the way through. Relative humidity is completely under control. Look how beautiful that still looks. This is with about as low quality material as we could get. And, you know, we just, again, wanted to see how well of a job we could do with that for this customer. And still, probably, our crawl spaces turned out probably 100 times better than what those people were using extremely good quality can even achieve. So I'm down here looking for our APOAIR 1850 dehumidifier workhorse. There we go. So we got that all set up as normal. Actually, move that over there. But again, check out our work. Looks pretty nice. Not bad for using a 9 mil vapor barrier. Thanks so much for watching. If you want your crawl space encapsulated, call the experts at HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com.